Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can record your screen in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, or you can swipe up to your control center. Here it is screen recorder. You have to long press it, and friends, here it is record device sound. If you want to record your device sound, you have to enable it. If not, then disable it. If you want to record your microphone sound, then you have to enable it. Here it is the video resolution option, and here it is the highest 1080 pixel, and here it is show tabs. You can also enable it, and you have to just click on screen recorder and press on OK, and you can see it is the recording is started. If you want to pause, then click on this, and if you want to end, just click on the red button. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.